Yeah, just wondering if a leopard can change his spots. You know, I was watching that movie. Riding Hood. And I noticed that part. It was like two African guys that was King Solomon's like headsmen that were trying to get him to tame the beast. And they were trying to get him to tame the beast or whatever. And one of the brothers or whatever ended up getting killed while trying to slay it. And you know, the guy didn't have to die or whatever, but King Solomon wanted to, since he had that purple coat on, made me think he wanted the purple rain. It made me think that he could be the dirty baton in the world card in tarot. That he could be possibly. But yeah, it's almost like a brother fucking energy. It's almost like how brothers treat brothers, maybe. But I don't think how brothers treat sisters. And last wisdom, his wisdom, okay? Or her wisdom, or the one thing he needed to get rid of was the other clean baton. Or is that baton dirty? So I'm just wondering if Gemini had to get rid of the white stag with the horn. The real Moshe energy. See, there's the low vibrating or real Moshe. And then there is the other Moshe that is the idol that had been lifted up and placed in front of the people. That was working with Moab and them and the sword to cut off the children so that they can gain all access to all the materials and all the wealth. And the wealth and abundance is in those grapes that you see in my King Solomon card, again, because I'm a storyteller, not a tarot reader. I'm a prophetess, not a tarot reader. So those grapes that's gathered is by cutting off the children and taking their abundance and holding on to it and becoming a mega possible demon. See, now that's the difference between, is it demon time or are we talking about godhood? Because a real God could not sit there and watch his people perish. To claim to have so much access or so much love or, you know, to be around someone that much and watch them. So this demon time made me think about Windy City blowing somebody kisses, especially the divine masculine. I'm just trying to figure out how these demons operate through people. I can see them, but I really want to, before I allow myself to have somebody have access to my body or my vassal, I need to know what the fuck is going on. So I realized, you know, that it's like, you know, maybe with something about those lyrics that what this person is saying, there's something gravitating or pulling him towards that. So Chicago is a big, you know what I'm saying? Something about Chicago and Atlanta. Chicago and Atlanta. Those are the two biggest mountains, you know what I'm saying, that would be peaking anyways, okay? Or maybe there's something even in between here, okay? Like St. Louis would be that something that's peaking or something that is getting in between, you know what I'm saying, somebody. But the thing I don't understand is now it's almost like somebody got their heart broken a funny way. You know what I'm saying? This could be a feminine, this could be a masculine over somebody that got their feelings, they butt hurt. Something happened. They entered into something and got their butt hurt. See? You know what I'm saying? And now they either coming back or sending a motherfucker back over here, trying to be all back to normal, kissing, trying to give somebody a kiss in the morning. I'm looking like, what the fuck what did happen in the Twilight Zone? No. All motherfucking access denied. And so I figure out which one of you motherfuckers, who, what, when, where, and what. So back to the story. So I noticed that, the King Solomon, he was really cold. He was trying to hurry up and do a witch hunt. He had, put that mask on the girl's face or whatever to embarrass her. You know what I'm saying? I did notice that mask did have something to do with either this Gemini or Scorpionic energy yesterday. Okay. But it made me think even yesterday, like I said, in that one video this girl just put up, and she was talking about until some hoes life all rearranged, okay? But the whole thing is ain't shit rearranged around this motherfucker, because now this motherfucker crawling back up over here. I'm wondering why I'm putting Pandora on motherfuckers like Baby Come Back and all this other shit. I'm like, damn, something that motherfucking changed overnight when I was asleep or something. Something to change overnight, okay? Because something is weird right now, okay? It was a catastrophe, some shit. But again, since these people chose to block, since they chose to fuck with the Godhead that was given to them as a gift, and try to block me having access to certain shit, that make me and them have to work harder to see what the fuck is going on and to block things as they come. So sometimes a motherfucker a day late and $1 short. So anyways, this made me think about, again, everybody's talking about that, fashion designer or whatever, okay, that passed away, my condolences or whatever. I think his name is Virgil or something like that. I woke up, everybody's talking about that. And I'm like, well, okay, hold on. So this must have something to do with this Solomon man bringing these people in, as whatever, to try to slay this demon. Okay. And it reminded me of another African man that I seen. He was like in the wilderness. I never seen this person before, but Source will put people in my feed or in my timeline because they know how I fucking operate. Okay. I ain't got time. I'm here, there, over there, trying to look at this, keep it, just to try to keep other motherfuckers in tune. You know what I'm saying? With the real shit that they need to know. All right. So, so that man, he was like, yeah, they came in, they lied to you. You feel like this and da. And for a minute, I'm like, damn, I do. You know how one of them damn commercials come on? Oh, they did. Oh my God, yes. And so, anyways, I feel like, that might be the other half of this person, or this might be that person's, they looks kind of similar. Now, again, this looks can be deceiving. I'm just putting this out here because, again, spirit can travel through different vassals, lineages, different time, places. Like we kind of like, I don't know. It depends on if you tapped in, I guess, or not. Shit. And so, seeing this dude saying that, right? Because it reminded me of the part in that movie in Riding Hood when the guy said, hey, he's still alive. And Riding Hood brought him some water, okay? And then the Solomon just came over with his sword and stabbed him in the throat any fucking way. And he looked at him like, you motherfucker. What the fuck? Like, I got you, motherfucker. Okay? And, and then this dude said in that video, I guess he didn't do anything. I can't remember how he got him back in the end. I can't remember how he got him back in the end. I really can't. I don't know if that brother was the one that actually took that man out. But I just remember that I knew that with that man Solomon, that movie with that purple thing, he wanted the rain. He knew that, and remember, the Riding Hood had that fucking red cloak on, because she was the empress, and that red cloak, or her sister, is something to do maybe with even her sister, okay? Because even not, like I told y'all, with that spiritual Sag, in her video, she got that E, okay? Now my sister name start with an E, and she live in Chicago too, same where this other feminine energy live, I believe, okay? And so when I seen that E and I